Hey guys, for today's science assignment, you're going to explore the energy skate park basics, the introduction today. Tomorrow you'll do the friction part, and the following day you'll do the playground. Okay. So after you watch this quick video, go to the link below to take you to the energy skate park. And then when you're done with the simulation, make sure you complete the exit ticket. Okay. So you're simply going to click on intro right here. You've got your skateboarder down below, and you've got a few. Yours actually might not be checked yet, okay, actually when you go in. So you can start with the pie chart. I like to start with the pie chart, maybe the bar graph first. You can control the mass, right, of your skateboarder. You could either make it smaller, larger. You're going to explore that. You're going to take your person, your skateboarder, and put them on the ramp. You're going to let that person go, okay? I won't show you. I'll let you explore that. I want you to pay close attention to the circle, the pie graph above the skateboarder's head. Notice it's blue right now. Notice the bar graph. Okay. You can play around with slow motion, pausing it. There's different ramps you can explore. If you really wanted to go and play around with the grid, you could. The speed also. So take probably 3 to 5 minutes, okay, exploring the introduction today. There's a lot to do with potential and kinetic energy that you've been studying for the last few days. Again, explore, play around with the simulation. Play around enough so you feel comfortable when you go to the exit ticket answering a few of those questions, okay? Again, tomorrow we'll explore the friction in the playground, so you don't need to go on today, okay? You can just do the introduction today. Good luck and have fun, boys and girls.